PSU, Government of Rajasthan. Uh, this PSU is working since 1949 for Government of Rajasthan, and since last many years generating good profits. We are into a distribution of minerals, rock phosphate, lignite, gypsum, and limestone. Also, we are into the wind energy. Our headquarters are spread across Rajasthan. We have good mines, and the area of every mines is very big areas. And we are daily production, I mean yearly production, we are having 52.11 lakhs per metric ton. That comes to almost 18,000 metric ton per day dispatches. We are doing it. That is a huge volume for us. We are also selling a very good amount, 51.55 lakhs metric tons per annum. Revenue currently last year 1920 we have 1950 953.22 crores. We have employee strength of 985. This is basically a mining company, so we are connected with various remote mines, and we have beverages also. There we'll have to wait the in and out of every vehicle. We have a customer base of 1,000 customers across India, and we are mostly dispatching through rails and roads. This is the brief about the company. This will give you idea that what complex system we have so far to implement this. Initially, company is core focusing on mining activities only, and we were having a good profit. But since last 3 to 4 years, this margin has been reduced, and company has started focusing on IT implementation so that cost cutting can be done and benefit can be taken out. So first challenge we have faced during this application implementation was because the mines are at very remote areas near to Pakistan borders and all scattered across Rajasthan. And we were not having good internet facility. That is one of the bottleneck for implementation of this project. Otherwise, the product we were using earlier that was in-house, those softwares were developed in different platforms. They were isolated, not interacting with each other. We have different set of procedures in each SBOs because this is a government company, and with the time, government has taken up various minerals to this company. So every company is a strategic business unit has got a different way of working. So those working to make a common business process in engineering was a challenge for us. Earlier time was also very tough time for us because information receiving at the end of mines was taking almost 1 to 2 days for dispatches, and after consolidation, after dispatches, those consolidation were also taking 3 to 4 days to deliver and to get the knowledge information to the management. That was a major challenge for us. Customer was also not able to see that what exactly is happening at mine site because this is a PSU and we'll have to keep the transparency to be open. So we were trying to provide this solution, and we were also having, because of this various softwares and remote connectivity issues, we were having a lot of paperwork also. So these challenges were faced during this application implementation. So what we have done is we have formalized the process that we have started this project in years 2016 because management has asked us to implement some ERP. That time we have started this application conceiving that how we can implement it and how it can be smoothly, access can be provided to all stakeholders. So we have adopted a very standard process. There we have created a core team of all young managers. You know, a company has got a young batch of managers. They have expertise in the domain. We have collected together one person from each domain, and we all 15, 20 persons were together. We have tried to analyze the complete processes across the company. Every process has been documented, and we have identified different steps that how this process can be documented. So we have a good document which is unique to probably all of the PSUs. Mostly this is not available. Every process documented, all input, output, everything is being crystal clear written in the document. So by implementation of any application, it gives a lot of help while assessing the requirement. Then we have prepared DPRs and all the standard procedures we have followed. We have a company, Government of Rajasthan, Rajcom Info Services Limited. They are working for us to implement this application. They have again identified third party for implementation partner, that is eConnect. And we have deployed everything on Rajasthan State Data Center because it's a mandate from Government of Rajasthan that will have to utilize all resources available at state level. And Government of Rajasthan has a very good infrastructure of data centers, so we have deployed our application there only. Then we have provided the training to all stakeholders and adequate infrastructure to all web bridges so that connectivity, even we have developed an application which even can support on 2G also. We'll show you some glimpses also from the live application. Now we come that what actually innovative part we have done is because this application is a mining company and we'll have to interface with the Department of Mines and Geology. Department of Mines and Geology has got their own softwares and they'll have to will have to make every payment through online system only. So we have utilized their web services to incorporate into our system. Similarly, we have connected with the transport department to get the all vehicle details from the tail weight and gross weight, everything. We have prepared this unique business process document. This was a unique to PSUs. Probably it is the first in the state PSUs environment. So this was the innovative aspect we had done in this application. This application has got all standard component, right from system configuration to customer registration. Agent transporters are also involved. We have product management that numbers of products can be created dynamically. Rates component can be created on this. We have sales activity like purchase order registration, release order registration, all this. Then we have a dispatch processes because that dispatch part taken place at the mines and those mines are at very remote and connectivity is a major issue. So we have provided those facility also. Then financial activity means all payment transfers and credit note, debit note generation, everything was there. There is a complete application which has got every functionality for the sales and marketing. Basically, it is scattering from order to cash. Like we are getting orders and realizing the cash, and that all benefit has been given by this application. We have created management dashboard for taking all decision making for the management. Similarly, we have provided access to the customers because customers are now very much keen to see what exactly things are happening at the mines level. We do have application like lab management, which is basically assuring a quality part to the customers, and customers can see their directly what material has been transferred, and we have tests for every material which is been dispatched. So those reports are also available to them for to see that what exactly they are getting. And one of the innovative part of this application is just to cater the 2G component because remote mines does not have internet facility. We have created a desktop interface for connecting the web bridges. That is one of the beautiful part of this application. So that gives a live, I mean, every vehicle which is going into a mines, which is available to management, they can see it, what exactly movement of vehicle inside the mines, what exactly outside is going. Everything is can be monitored and by management, and decision making can be done on that. These are the stakeholders too, 1,000+ active customers, and we have fertilizer, steel-based and cement-based companies who are the customers to us. Management and sales team is connecting to this. All external agencies like agencies, auditors, consultants, transporters, they can access these systems. And of course, the Weybridge users directly, because everything is being done at the corporate levels or marketing department level, but all information is available to Weybridges. They don't have to do anything on that. They are just taking vehicle in based on their document available for in vehicles, and they are dispatching material directly from the Weybridges. The solution we have received from this application is real-time information, which was much needed as of today. And management decision was very much improved because of this application. Because of any of the IT implementation, tangible benefit you don't get, but intangible benefit we are receiving, and management is now realizing that they are getting it. Transparent process. This is one of the most important part for the PSUs, because being a government organization, we'll have to cater to the customers with the full transparency, because we are dealing with the rock phosphate, which is only 20% of Indian demand. Remaining 80% is coming from the import only. So providing 20% demand with the transparent level, so that allocation is available to customers without any hiding of information. They know that what actual allocation is being done on daily basis, and they can retrieve it and they can see what exactly they are getting against those allocation. So that is what the transparency level we have increased to the customers for their satisfaction. We are able to get better planning and control on the overall functioning of sales operations and production operation. because earlier we were not having any interface between production and sales. Now we are having this. With this system, we are able to manage this. We are able to handle inventory turnovers because of live data available. Customer services, definitely it has been improved because customers are now directly getting everything on their desk, on their portals, with their good desktop dashboard with available with them, and they are able to manage it. Then, of course, this is one of the important part is we are able to manage our receivable management, because collection was earlier the holding period, and the period was higher. Now it has been reduced because of the better management of the total sales operation. So this benefit is being realized by the management. Now I'll show you some screenshot that how the application is this. This is our management dashboards, normally available to all management top executives and different SBO, strategic business unit heads, based on their unit. And these are customer registration forms. Simple customer can directly come to our website portals and they can register directly. This is a customer dashboard where they can able to see that what actual dispatches are there, how many release orders they have, how much pendency is there. They can have all details. I'll show you the live glimpses also after finishing this few more slides. Then online payment facilities, directly customer need not to have go to the bank. Directly by creating their release orders, they can directly make the payment against that. Okay, always, I mean, even if the credit sale is there, they can also have payment against those invoices which are being taken on credit basis. We have complete dispatch operations, maintain this with the application, both the side desktop application also at Weybridge level, as well as at the corporate levels. Every in and out vehicle is being monitored from the corporate office and sales teams. We have all documented. We have almost reduced paper. Every invoice is being e-signed, digitally signed. Every release order digitally signed, and that is available directly on the dashboard. So we have almost reduced this signing of document. And with this COVID problem, now customers are not visiting. I mean, everything is on online transfer, and they can see easily everything. Product registration is there. This is new product and multiple MIS reports for getting all those informations for management purposes. We have desktop application interface also for accessing this application. Now I'll take this because this is e-Ravana is being basically a requirement of Department of Mines and Geology that every dispatch has to be paid by royalties, and all mineral royalties are being paid directly online. We are utilizing their web services, and interface has been directly provided into application. We are also interacting directly. We are waiting for the credential from the GST. Otherwise, we have created all invoice and credit note, debit note online directly using the GST portal. So that will again, it is a big help to the company for generating live invoices. This is a lab reports for all tests. Every vehicle is being sample is being taken from the vehicle, and it is being lab report is being shared with the customer so that they know that what exact quantity, what product they are getting, and what quality they have for this.
Sir, so, conclude in 2 minutes time, sir.
Yeah, now this finally I'll be taking back you to the live application. This is my live application. This is our dashboards available to management. They can see directly this is the current position. That morning dispatch is 166.02 is being dispatched from the phosphate unit. So this live application can be seen directly. We have all application live. I'll show you this. I'm sharing my desktop here. These are the live invoices we can have directly. Similarly, we can have approved invoices. We can retrieve here directly whatever invoicing being generated from the system. Then we have facility of dispatch operations also at the corporate level as well as for the mines level. So this is a dispatch operation. This is a list of in-vehicles available currently at this unit. These are the different vehicles. 6 vehicles are already in. This is the dispatch of directly. This is real-time data we are getting at the corporate level. This vehicle just dispatched at this time, it's 9:45, it was dispatched last. So again, I will show you another important part. This is a vehicle, and we have received a remote also from here. So this is a vehicle already standing on the Weybridge, and the weight is coming directly from the Weybridge, and this directly you can monitor this all detail from the remote, from the corporate level as well as from the Webbridge levels. So this is what we are doing. It is all live application. We can generate ravanas for government, and we can have number of CROs which is being paid. These are the vehicle directly. You can go for that. Similarly, we have customer portals here also. So I'll take you to the customer portal directly here from just a minute. This is back to SSO because customer portal is being given to access to customers only. This is our login credential. Single sign-on facility has been provided, so anybody can access. This is secured facility. This is how we get customers. If we customer can access this application using this Rajasthan single sign-on facility.
ठीक है सर, conclude कर दीजिए सर आप.
This is concluded. Last slide I'm showing you. This is a JSW who is taking materials, and this is a final shot of this. This is a customer portal dashboard available to them. All invoices available, all dispatches, purchase orders, dispatches, loading advices, everything is available to the customers. This is what from my side, and I hope I'll be able to finish properly to explain all the benefit of this application.
You can stop sharing the slide, please now.
Okay.
Very nice sir, बहुत बढ़िया आपका presentation है, बहुत अच्छा काम आप कर रहे हैं. You have made everything online. It's very heartening to understand this, that not only that your own web portal, but for the customers also, these things are online, so that multiple advantages are there. So the transparency is there. You know that how many truckloads are there, what's the weight of the trucks each time, whether it's underweight, overweight, custom duty paid, not paid, what's the position. I think overall it's very good, and we understand Rajasthan is really way ahead in implementation of that IT solutions, and introducing it to the mines and minerals for the state PSU is very good. Keep it up, sir.
Yeah, this is one of the best solution for mining sector. It can be replicated to any of the mining company across the world.
No, because Rajasthan, Gujarat government has also got the similar software. They are also doing equally good. It's not so that you are the only one, but others are also doing it, you know. So yeah, replication is done. It will depend upon state to state that what exactly they want to do, but it's a good project. Yeah, Sharma sir.
नहीं ठीक है सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच. इनफैक्ट गुजरात ने इसको सैंड माइनिंग के लिए काफी एक्सटेंसिवली यूज किया है. वी हैव सीन देयर प्रेजेंटेशन. एंड आप ये बताइए कि इस बार जैसे कोविड का फेज है, तो क्या आपके बिजनेस पे कुछ इम्पैक्ट है उसका? कैसे, हाउ यू
इनिशियली
एक्सपीरियंसिंग?
हाँ, फर्स्ट 2 months में हमारा इम्पैक्ट आया था बिजनेस का, बिकॉज देयर वाज टोटल शटडाउन. बट नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स वी हैव पिक्ड अप and we are going very good. I mean, there is all whatever pendency was created during the initial 2 months. Now it has been over, and now we are creating dispatching smoothly, doing good. I mean, we are not finding much problem in that way.
तो इसमें एक चीज और बता दीजिए कि चोरी चकारी पहले बहुत होती थी सॉफ्टवेयर को इम्प्लीमेंट करने से पहले, तो इसमें कितनी % की कमी आई है?
वो तो अब बेसिकली हमारी माइनिंग में तो अभी ये सारी चीजें जहां हमारी माइंस हैं वो पूरी तरह से रुक गई है. चोरी का तो कोई ऑप्शन रहा नहीं, क्योंकि सारे वेब्रिज ऑनलाइन डायरेक्टली, पहले ऑफलाइन थे. अब सारा मॉनिटरिंग रिमोट से हो रहा है. एवरीथिंग इज ट्रांसपेरेंट. तो अब कुछ ऑप्शन बचता ही नहीं. गाड़ी इन होती है और आउट होती है, एक ही पॉइंट होता है निकलने और जाने का. तो अब कोई चांस बचा नहीं इसमें कोई कि किसी तरह से आप थेफ्ट वगैरह हो इसमें.
ठीक है,
हमारी माइंस में नहीं हो रहा है. दैट हैज बीन स्टॉप्ड.
वेरी गुड सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
तो इससे आपका इससे आपका रेवेन्यू भी काफी अच्छा हो जाएगा.
डेफिनेटली बढ़ेगा सर, बढ़ेगा, बिकॉज दिस इज अ फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. सो ऑब्वियसली वी विल गेट द बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस.
ठीक है सर.